Edge lighting not working in your Samsung Galaxy A16? Here's I'll show you how to enable edge lighting. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, you have to tap on notifications. Now tap on notification pop-up style. Here, tap on edge lighting style. And under effect, here you will find bunch of different style notification, edge lighting effect. You can go ahead and select any of them. So here's the echo effect, and here we can see the preview of echo effect. Now to change edge lighting color, go to color and here select color. Now you can go ahead and select a different color for edge lighting. Tap on done, and that's how we can do it. Now on, whenever you receive a notification in your phone, you will see a edge lighting effect on your phone. Thanks for watching.